bono mbabwate normal corrugated nabo igo box corrugated asibe ko babwate Dumarang ayuali ayechigech emerongo 3 asama bati ali ayechigech emerongo 25 mbabwate tile profiles alia a oriental elegantal versatile gross nabo igo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko nabo igo web design mbabwate igani kabwate chikala bunabone lia charcoal gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue nabo igo na green obutambe bwe mabwate iga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi bwo igo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabwate iga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant nabo igo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenya ya Ouru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru complex imiyo muchigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Ibera yekominarimo mwakano ibwechiri bubere 2025 mwancho murigereria cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibera cyabona magaso chinga kitoikira SMS Ekeonga tokoretera majabuna agendre ire gwataka kurwa imene isko yorogongo rwagusi ane mono rituko eriga kurwase ebunge ye county Nyamira aba imsie kurwase nsemeyo baike muswada bokumwa kaisiko omugavana bwe county yo amoske mumenyaribo nerituko boigo kurwase nsemeria yoborendi gose wizara yoborendi boime amakuru tugotse abausa babanyanyimbo bachaka kori kwa rituko ria rero nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga wisoni makuru kurwase umuntu waboimanyariro makwisi nero koneka buna chibichese na maringo ikirachira senchira yobokarano ikaransoke omena intogoika omwero na togo chaka kurwa ase county area Nyamira omwero ye rituko ria rero semambiro tukara rero musado yorengete komoru service mugavana we county ya Nyamira amoske mumenyaribo nigo ikiwa bene ase bunge ye county ya Nyamira no MCA obonyamatuta omoske Julius Matwere ase ntunde yega nigo mugavana Nyaribo akomochwa na mamocho are ose amamocho aya ritangani ago ogotaskari chiko na boyo ekatipa yense amona ri mocho ya kabere no botumike obobebu ya bisi aya mugavana Nyaribo nigabwate amatuka 5 na bereuka gose wiki eyemo ero chikura chichegwa kwa na MC abo be county Nyamira abo asebono bare aba MC bare emeronge toto na babere gose na chikogendra kugera county Nyamira buno mugavana gose nigo arachiko rusu asekiroge kyo gavana.
Next order.
Administration of oath.
Next order.
Communication from the chair.
Next order.
Messages.
Next order.
Petitions.
Next order.
Papers.
Next order.
Notices of motions.
Notice of motions. Honorable Julius Kimomi Matwere, Member of County Assembly, representing Wanyamatuta, filed Gazette Notice number 231 of 14th November 2025. Honorable Matwere.
Honorable Speaker, I wish to give notice of motion for removal of Honorable Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, the Governor of Nyamira County, from office by way of impeachment on the following grounds. Number one, gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya and other laws. And two, abuse of office. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Next order.
Statements.
Next order.
Motions and bills.
Next order.
Adjournment.
Honorable members, the House stands adjourned until Tuesday, 18th November 2025 at exactly 9:30 a.m.
Togo skabosio ritkoria rero kroasense meria yoborendi anemono borende boime ni gomorobiro bokorika makurutu gose ababisa babanyanyimbo ochaka bene imeyense ya Kenya morobiro y'umwancho morigereria nigo rengete goche korika abanyanyimbo chiri 10 na nigo ochaka na ni osogendrete ase bituo byonse wetane chimenye asa chikaunti chonse merongene na Isano na Ibera chense ya Kenya kora ekaunti ya Kisii gose nigo morobiro yo ocha Chinsa Ibera kirit kuria ramambia na segeti gechigosor kia Kisii Stadium na nigo gendrete na nigo rache kuika omwero chikoraga Chinsa 11 chabona marogo.
Oh, kona kalamu gue.
Ritko rero ensinkimani ge guchingira na kunyura ritko ria bana bale bakwiguru achinga kichabo kitaraika gose batarakora emetienyi kyanda ekerenge akenene kyo mwaka oyo no ko bana bo moyo bugo chako bogima na boyigo chinguru eriko bana boyigo amatuka maya ase amatukare bosyo korengana nubutuki bwakore nigo ngabana chiribwe meyamo na mergo etani chiribwe yamon emeyamo na 30 bakwiboro achinga kichabo kitaraika kiro mwaka Ekeonga aseboigo gati abanabo ang'echiriwe 30 bagusiria magimabo.
And the county has ensured that we have enough commodities and drugs like antenatal steroids, magnesium sulfate for neuroprotection.
The technology that we need for our preterm babies to survive will be available, they will be repaired on time, and to ensure sustainability.
The purple book known as the Mother-Child Handbook, one of the most famous books that we have. And we have been able to revise it from the 2020 handbook. It has new information that is key for premature babies.
You have also seen some of our pediatricians across the counties having engagements with the county government.
Murikyo botambe ase wizara ya kisemi ambassador Julius Bitok nigo ainekeire abakenya buna eserekari nigebegete oborendi naboy osinigetingeti oborendi ase okogendera kwa matemwa amanene ukoni mambi yeri tukere rero chinga kyari kurigererio kuigoro gwe container ya matemwa amanene a KCSE ase chiobisyo mo deputy commissioner imeye bunge ya Kikuyu e county ya Kiambu. Bitok nigateba amatemu a KCSE nigaraso kichitariki 10 Motienyi ogocha nabo igamarube yaboro kuwa bakora matemo ayo nigo arasoke chiwikibere magaya matemo ayo gosoka.
Confident that after the KCSE exams that were done a few weeks ago, we are ready for transition to the senior school. I want to state categorically that we have put in systems and measures and everything that is required to ensure that we have a smooth transition of 1.1 million learners who have done their KCSE, and we expect that the results will be out by 11th of December, and we are going to do placement immediately after that so that they can go to senior school. Our plan is that we release the results for KCSE on the 11th, and within 1 week after that, we do our placement, after which we expect them to get their letters before Christmas. And we expect them to report on the 12th of January. That is the plan as a ministry.
Mawaziri boborendi boime moske Onesmus Kipchumba murukama nigo aruro kuboria gochia saba na siasa anene mono aba kurigie birogo asobo chorio boke bore bosio angechigwiki ibere chiatigeire okoro campaign senchera yo morembe ukona koro ekanisa ya St Luke Methodist egotoka Kariene e county ya Meru murukama nigo atebetebuna ensemo yo borendi babekire emirobiro yo gotinyo morembe na boigo oborendi chinga kichobo chorio.
And I want to request leaders, kwa sababu tunaenda sasa elections ambayo inakuja. Please nawaomba viongozi wa Kenya wote, kwa sehemu yote, tufanye kampeni zetu kwa njia ya amani. Wale ambao tunashindana saizi hapa mbele, huko Malava, huko sehemu ya Kasipul, MCS, sehemu mbalimbali kwa by elections inakuja kwa wiki mbili ambayo iko mbele yetu, ninawaomba tufuate sheria. Na tunahakikisha ya kwamba kila mmoja apewe nafasi kufanya kampeni kwa njia ya amani, watu wauze sera zao, na mwishowe sisi wote tukishapiga kura mwenye atashinda ni yule ambaye ako na sera ambayo wananchi wamekubali. Si namna hiyo? Hiyo ndio uongozi ambayo tunataka kwa sehemu hii. Na askari wetu wako chonjo, wako tayari kwa sehemu hizo za Kasipul, kwa sehemu huko la Ukunja, kwa sehemu ya Malava, kwa hapa Mbere, kwa sehemu zote ambazo Mbere North na sehemu zingine panye tuko na by elections. Mimi nataka niwahakikishie wa Kenya ya kwamba polisi wetu wako imara, wako tayari kudhibiti msukosuko yoyote ambayo inaweza kutokea, na tutahakikisha kwamba wale wanapanga njama ya kupiganisha wananchi wameshikwa na kupelekwa kotini. Na mnajua mimi siogopi chochote. Mimi siogopi chochote. Na siogopi mtu yoyote. Mimi nimeona mengi. Na Mungu amenibariki kunipatia kazi ya kusaidia rais. Na rais ametupatia kazi kuhakikisha nchi yetu iko salama. Tutatumia hiyo amri ya wananchi na uwezo kutoka wananchi wenye alipatia rais kulinda wananchi ili mali yao na maisha yao ikuwe salama. Ni hivyo ama sivyo? So mtu asituletee vitisho, mtu atuletee nini, Kenya itakaa salama. Na Wakenya wataenda elections na kuja salama. Na Wakenya wataona wale ambao wanalete vuruku kwamba watachukuliwa hatua ya kisheria wao wenyewe wakiona waziwazi mbele ya Mwenyezi Mungu na mbele ya wananchi.
Togocha gokorera mokonyo muraibwense Professor Pram Kithure Kindiki niga kwanire burimi na ane mono ekemerigie chae ane mono asa kwanire ebona sienge yo abarimi bekemerie kyo banyora Kindiki hokwana kurwa Kapsabet niga aeret na chikumbirana na barai rio kwana chinchara bara kore mechando ere asobotene bwekemerigie chae unenchera ya moyo gokinia ligoliria kemerie kyo.
Baadhi ya wakulima wameanza kupata mapato zaidi. Kahawa inaendelea vizuri. Sukari inaendelea vizuri. Majani chai yamekuwa yakiendelea vizuri, lakini kwa sasa hivi tuko na matatizo ya bonus. Ile malipo inafikia mkulima ya bonus. Na mimi nakubaliana na viongozi wenu akiwemo Senator Cheragai na governor na senator na hao viongozi wengine wote kutoka sehemu hii ya West of Rift Valley. Tuketi chini kama viongozi tutafute suluhisho ya tatizo ya hiyo bonus vile imeenda chini. I want to assure you, because agriculture reforms have been delegated to me by His Excellency the President, I am going to take up the issue of tea to make sure that we resolve the bonus problem. We will find a solution. Mheshimiwa Cheragai, you don't have to, let's get a solution. Tuende tu pole pole, tutapata solution. I know you mean well, and I know you are speaking on behalf of these farmers who are not getting what they should be getting. Kwa hivyo tutapata solution. Kazi ya viongozi ni kuleta solution. We will find a solution. Kwa hivyo nitaitana hivi karibuni tushughulikie hiyo mambo ya majani chai.
Chapto kirechita ikaikumi Isano igure Chinsa Isano na Ibera chabono mubaso nkone yo moske Kindiki nero gutokira mwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibera sinchira yo weng mwancho murigereria korinda inegati ari ngocho koretera chikoraga Chinsa ikumi asinchira yo weng boigo anemono echinkwana chabarai a okorochi obisi chumo wakirishi babasubati me county ya Kisii moske donya Dori Saburi igoro yebitambukiro barachi kuyo imokia iri gukora kisegi cyegenge nabo igokunirwa kwa basubati.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati andonsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale yuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tempo abo bago kolemirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho tebereria kende gensi uragania bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na wigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama bati aliaye chigage emeronge bere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwa mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukonyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyari kabo gokwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwe kasure asubwango edukenyega ya ouru superstores yego toka se nyumba ya ouru complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
I'm on